well, the total area under the curve is 1. The area to this side of the line is 0.01, so the area over here must be 0.9900. Okay, so I need to find that area on my tables. So I'm just going to go to my tables, my Z tables, and I'm just going to do this out a little bit larger, okay, because I know from working this example in class what's actually going to happen here. So I'm actually looking for the value 0.9900 inside my Z tables. Yeah, let's see, can we find that? Okay. Now I know this already. Okay, is that when I look at my cumulative Z tables, okay, and I'm looking for 0.9900, 0.9900 ain't there. Okay, but what I do have, okay, 0.9900 ain't there. 0.9901 is there. Okay, but I don't have 0.9900. But what I do have, I have 0.9901, 0.9904, 0.9908. Oh, sorry, this is 0.98. Where am I gone to here? It's 0.9898, 0.9898, and I have 0.9896. Okay, and they're all on the row 2.30, and they're under the columns 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, this one is, and 0.04. Okay, so what I'm looking for is the critical value that has 0.99 of the area to the left hand side. So I'm looking for this value here, which I know is between these two values, but it's not halfway between them, but it is halfway between these two values. So the Z score associated with this value here is 2.3 plus this is 2.31. The Z score associated with this value here is 2.3. Whoops, I'll just move that there. Okay, is 2.3 plus 0.04, so it's 2.34. So the Z value associated with what I require, okay, is in here somewhere. Okay, it's not halfway between these, but it is halfway between these two. Okay, so the Z score that I require, the critical value, okay, is going to be my C is equal to 2.31 plus 2.34 divided by 2, which gives us 4.65 divided by 2, which gives me a critical value which is going to be equal to 2.325. Okay, so this critical value here is 2.325. Now sometimes your examiner might say, actually, just if you don't have the critical value associated with the area that you're looking for, go for the one that's closest to it. In this case, the one that's closest to it would actually be this one here for this area, so it would actually be 2.33. Which is perfectly fine. It's close enough to what I have here, but mine is a little bit more accurate. So we know through symmetry that this particular critical value here is actually the same as that critical value over here, except that this one is negative. So that this is equal to minus 2.325. Okay. Now what we know from our particular test is that our test statistic is minus 2.5478. Okay, so but our Z score, yeah, our Z value, okay, is actually here. It's minus 2.5478. So it actually falls into our rejection region, if that makes sense. So once again here we're going to be rejecting. So let's do that. So this is our decision. So step 5, our decision, okay, our decision is clearly my Z score is less than my critical value. In this case I'm talking about on the right hand side. Yeah, okay, what I mean by that is minus 2.5478 is less than minus 2.325. okay, and as such we reject H0, okay, H0 in favor of HA, okay, at the 5% level of significance. And now we do the magic bit, okay, at significance. So we're rejecting. Let's go back. We're rejecting. We're rejecting. Reject. We're rejecting. So now we can make our inference. So we reject H0 in favor of HA at the 5% level of significance and infer. Well, what are we inferring? We're inferring this alternative now, yeah, which says that the population proportion is less than 44%, and infer that the proportion, okay, the proportion of clients of clients, okay, wishing to travel to Europe is less than 44%. Okay, and that's based off our evidence, if that makes sense. Okay, guys, once again, I hope that this was in some way helpful. I hope that the way I walked through the particular scenario and sort of through a process of elimination helped us to identify what type of test we were conducting. So once again, this was a single sample test for the population proportion. Okay. So once again, this is Jonathan Lambert with the Mathematics Development and Support Service at the National College of Ireland. And I hope that this video was in some way intuitive, and more importantly, I actually hope that was helpful for you. And thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.